Welcome to my channel. My name is Takaz, and today I will share with you about landing your first UI/UX job ebook. If you are the first person come to my channel, I will introduce myself. My name is Takaz. I'm a senior UI/UX designer. I do web app design, end-to-end product design for AI, Web3, SaaS, cloud, and cybersecurity. You can check my profile, Takazcao. I share a lot of information, idea about building design, product, and business. Also, you can check my LinkedIn.com, Takaz. I also share information about design, product, and business. Please check it. And alright, so please go to planuiuxshop.com. You will go to my landing page. Here are the ebook to help you land your first UI/UX job with zero experience. Alright, what about this ebook? It will help you build your portfolio, improve your UI/UX skill, and land your dream job. Alright, so what do you have a question? Have you been wanting to become a UI/UX designer but unsure where to start or how to begin? Are you overwhelmed with the number of different topics, process, and strategy out there for UI/UX design? Have you started to apply UI/UX job but feel stuck? Do you have plenty of ideas but struggle to put yourself out there? Alright, so this ebook will help you. It has 4 sections. 1. Foundation, basic of UI/UX design. 2. Get it started, guide to get you started in UI/UX. 3. Job application, what you need to apply for a job. 4. Final step, from interview to job offer. Also, you will get bonus. Also, framer portfolio templates, $50 value. Resume Figma templates. LinkedIn profile, how to excel at new job. Please check it. It's free for now, so you can go to my Takazcao lemontree.com. Here are the shop. I share it. All my product now is free, so just check it. Go into the product, subscribe, and submit order. You will get free. Okay, so now we will check what's inside the landing your first UI/UX job. When you go into, you will have my Notion page. We will have a partner, how to do it. But when you enjoy the ebook, please tell your friend and help them level up their UI/UX design skill. And also, you can give me a feedback, reply to Takaz at takazcao.com, or tag me on X or LinkedIn with your thoughts and suggestions. Your input help me make ebook better for everyone. Alright, so let's get started. First, we will look into introduction. Why is UI/UX design important for business? In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for business success. A website that's well designed doesn't just attract visitors, It keeps them coming back and sell flow along the way. That's where UI UX design come in. Building website and app that are easy and fun to use. Think of user interface and user experience, design at your team. UI make your site look great and UX make sure it's easy to use. Together, they make your site look and function better. A well-designed UI UX can help business success by building a strong brand. A good-looking and user-friendly website leaves a lasting impression and gets customers to come back. Increasing user engagement. Users are more likely to stay on your website and take desired action, such as making a purchase or subscribing to your newsletter when they have a positive experience. Reducing bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave your website after only viewing on page. A good UI UX design can reduce bounce rate by making it easy for users to find what they're looking for and navigate your website. UI UX design is essential for business website. It creates a positive user experience which leads to increased engagement, conversation, and brand loyalty. A well-designed website establishes trust and makes it easy for users to find what they need. It also differentiates a business from its competitor and creates a memorable brand identity. So, can you earn $1,000 a month with UI UX design? UI UX design is a high-paying job with the average salary in the US over $90,000 a year. Right. So, yeah, you can check the link on interactiondesign.com. I put it. Okay, get back. Even if you're just starting out, you can make a good living. Many businesses need a UI UX designer to improve their website and app. They want to attract more people, keep them engaged, and convince them to buy. That's where you come in. Now you might be thinking, how can I make $1,000 a month with UI UX design? It depends on the project and your experience. As you gain more experience skill, you can check more. Some projects will pay more, some less. But if you work hard and keep improving, you can hit that $1,000 mark and beyond. Here are some tips. Build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your most valuable asset. Include your best work, even from personal projects. Network with other designers. Attend industry events. Connect on LinkedIn and follow a designer on social media. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. Be willing to learn new things. The field of UI UX design is constantly changing, so it's important to be willing to learn new skills and technologies. This makes you more attractive to employers. If you love design and are willing to learn, you can achieve your financial goal. Dream big, work hard, and maybe one day you'll be designing the coolest website and app, making more than $1,000 a month with your UI UX design skill. Keep going, keep learning, and keep designing your way to success. Alright, so who this book for? This book is for anyone who wants to land their first UI UX design job, regardless of your experience or background. Beginner, learn the basics of UI UX design in a simple language. Creative individual, apply your creativity to design visually appealing and user-friendly interface. Tech enthusiasts, Combine your passion for technology with UI/UX design to enhance the user experience. Career change. Gain a solid understanding of design principle and transition into a rewarding career in UI/UX design. Settle up. At the end of each chapter, I will put the settle up. If you see this helpful, please tell your friend and help them level up their skill. Also, if you see what's wrong, what's right, please give me a feedback. Reply to Takaz on Takazcao.com. Tag me on X or LinkedIn with your thought and suggestion. Your input help me make ebook better for everyone. Alright, so that's it for today. Let's see you in the chapter 2. See you.